was your favorite Jewish holiday as a child?
My favorite was probably Passover. Actually, most of them were Shavuos, which was a big, nice holiday because it didn't require much your part just to go to shul. But there was special baking of special cakes, and which my mother was very good at. She used to bake torts and all kind of special cakes that you don't even see today, like rogalach, that type of thing. But everything was done with butter, and it was like a lot of eggs and butter. Like I remember she used to make a torte. We'd have use like 25 eggs for one torte. I remember that part. And it was all the holidays were very big, very important, and everything ceased once the holiday came. It was just a matter of enjoying the holiday. So most of the holidays we had were extremely joyous, if you will. We always had, of course, like our table was always like we had company, and it was very at the time it was very enjoyable. It was definitely family time.